When it comes to rhododendrons, the variety in flower colour and form is almost endless. Today we're looking at a few of the more widely grown varieties, as well as how to grow them. Rhododendrons require a well-drained soil to thrive. They grow well in dappled shade and are also suited to morning sun and afternoon shade. Most species rhododendrons flower early on in the season. Hybrids tend to flower a little later. Although most rhododendrons are grown for the flowers, some are also grown for the fragrance. And some species of rhododendrons are grown for the magnificent foliage. You can find tall growing types, others low growing. Some are bushy and some have a more open growth habit. All are excellent plants for a shaded position in any garden, and once established, they are remarkably hardy and very easy to care for. All rhododendrons tend to have a shallow root system, and they do benefit from an annual application of mulch. This keeps the root run cool and moist. The best time to plant rhododendrons is in the cooler months. At the end of summer is ideal. This allows the root system to settle in before the next warm period. An annual application of a specialist fertiliser will be beneficial. The best time to prune rhododendrons is immediately after flowering. You can just lightly prune them, and this will keep them growing in a nice bushy compact habit. If you do need to hard prune, you can do this at the same time. If you do hard prune, you may lose 1 year's flowering. However, these tough and hardy plants will bounce back. Not all nurseries carry a large range of rhododendrons. Wishing Well Nursery in Monbulk, Victoria, is one that does. It also has a great range of azaleas. A great place to get a bit of advice on the best rhododendron for your garden. You can find out more about rhododendrons, the different varieties, and some of the species on the website.